exploring the beauty of sunrise tour in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the picturesque phrase, sunrise tour. It's a phrase that paints a vivid image and is rich in meaning. So, let's embark on this journey to understand and appreciate the beauty of these words in the English language. Before we delve into the whole phrase, let's first understand what sunrise means. Sunrise refers to the moment when the upper limb of the sun appears on the horizon in the morning. It's not just a time of day. It symbolizes new beginnings, hope, and the beauty of nature. The sunrise is often admired for its stunning colors and the sense of peace it brings. Now, let's explore the word tour. A tour is a journey or trip taken for pleasure, exploration, or learning. It involves visiting different places of interest. In our context, a tour is more than just traveling. It's about experiencing and discovering new places or concepts. Combining the two, sunrise tour refers to a special kind of journey. It's a tour that is specifically organized to experience or witness the sunrise at a particular location. This phrase often evokes images of early morning adventures, breathtaking views, and a sense of tranquility. It's not just about seeing the sunrise but also about embracing the moment and the environment around it. Sunrise tour can be used in various contexts. It could be a literal tour to watch the sunrise, or metaphorically, it can signify starting a new venture or exploring new beginnings. For example, we went on a sunrise tour of the Grand Canyon, and it was magnificent. Or, starting this project feels like a sunrise tour, full of new possibilities. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase, sunrise tour, for you. It's a phrase that captures the essence of beauty, hope, and exploration. Remember, learning English is not just about words and grammar, it's about understanding the culture and imagery behind the phrases we use. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoy the beauty of the English language.